Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating and signing in. Power on the Xbox 360, go to System Settings and confirm the console shows the latest available system update. This unlocks current Xbox Live protocols. Once done, make sure you have your Microsoft account credentials ready, email and password, and re-enable or note two-step verification details if active. Finally, connect to your network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi and run the network test, so you don't hit connectivity surprises. Next, you pick your subscription and set account details. On the console, sign into your profile, select Join Xbox Live, and choose between free Silver, Limited, or Gold for multiplayer and games. You can redeem a prepaid code or add a payment method to your Microsoft account. Once purchased, return to privacy and online safety settings to allow multiplayer, voice chat, and game invites. Adjust family controls if this is a child account. These steps ensure services actually work after purchase. Finally, complete the setup and verify functionality. Download your profile if prompted, sync cloud saves, and open the Xbox Live Marketplace or start a multiplayer match to confirm access. If something fails, clear the system cache, reboot the console and router, and rerun the network test. A common fix is addressing NAT type. Switch to open or moderate by enabling UPnP or forwarding Xbox Live ports on your router. If time settings are wrong, correct them. Incorrect clock can block sign-in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.